Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain a PostgreSQL high availability architecture using HAProxy, Petroni and etc. This setup ensures automatic failover, zero downtime and seamless database connectivity from applications. Let's start from the top. Here we have client or application. The client connects to the database using single endpoint on port 5000. The important point here is client does not know which database server is primary. All traffic first goes to HAProxy. On server 1, we have HAProxy and etcd. HAProxy acts as a load balancer. It receives all client requests and routes them to the current primary database server. HAProxy continuously perform health check using port 8008 determines which node is active. Along with HAProxy, we also have etcd. etcd is used to store the cluster stat. It keeps track of which node is primary and which node is replica. Petroni updates this information in etcd and HAProxy reads from etcd to route traffic correctly. Now let's move to server 2. This is pgdb1, which is primary database server. This server runs Petroni and PostgreSQL. Petroni is responsible for high availability management. It performs leader election and communicates with etcd. PostgreSQL on this server acts as the primary database where all write operations happens. Next, we have server 3, pgdb2, which is the replica database server. This server also runs Petroni and PostgreSQL. The replica receives wall replication from the primary database server. The replica continuously replaces wall logs to stay synchronized with the primary database. Okay, now let's understand failover. If the primary server goes down, Petroni detects the failure. Petroni updates etcd and promote the replica server to become the new primary. Once the replica become primary, HAProxy automatically reads all client traffic to the new primary server. This entire process is automatic and requires no manual interaction. That is why this architecture provides high availability and zero downtime. Now we'll see this practically. For this, we require three nodes. Here, I have three nodes, one for HAProxy and etcd, and one for DB1, pgdb1, and pgdb2. These are the three nodes. So entire this practical we are doing in Docker containers. So Docker has to be installed in three nodes. I have installed already in the these three nodes. Okay, before jump into the Docker compose and all, first we need to check the host entry because each three nodes should be communicated with the name. Host see these entry should be in each server. Okay, now everything is fine. Now we'll go to the Docker Compose file. Okay, this is the Docker Compose file for the etcd and HAProxy. See, our port is 5000. It has to be connect to the database. This port is, you can copy this code. Okay, now we'll copy paste the code. Okay, this is the etcd URL, and this is the port actually 5000. And we need to copy the HAProxy configuration into this location. opt spilo. Okay, chalo, we'll see. Here is the HAProxy configuration. This will mount to the, sorry, in the Docker container. Okay. Mm. Yes, already I have this same thing here. Okay, a bind port is 5000, and it will check to the status from the DB1 and DB2. Here is master will always give us to the code 200. So this HAProxy always pass to the traffic only for the primary. So this is the condition we are giving over here. Status 200. And this is the 7000 port bind where we did for to check the stats in the web console. This is the user ID and password admin 123. We'll see this. Okay, save and exit. This is read only, so you have to use the sudo. Okay, then. Okay, this configuration is same now. Okay, no need. Save and exit. Now Docker Compose F1 detach mode to use existing network created by Compose demo network. Okay, check it. Where is Docker Compose file? So type Docker Compose file HAProxy demo network driver. Okay, is the issue is coming. Set external to okay. Then run it. Done. Yes, now it is running etcd
and HAProxy. Let's check the logs. Docker logs -f. Yes, pgdb1 pgdb2 is not at running. That's what it is showing. The showing this connection refuse. Okay. What about etc? Yes, it is running successfully. It is enabled everything etc. We ran this successful and let me check. I will tell you one thing. Okay, yes. See, so you can check the web console from 7,000. Check it. What is the IP of this? Mm, this is the this. Let's check. 7,000 we have given. Yes, on status. Yes. Now both our nodes are down. It is showing. Why? Because we didn't start at. Okay. Then come to the pgdb1. Here, okay, we have code. See here for pgdb1. Uh, see for we required a Patroni with the PostgreSQL image. So for this, I'm using Spilo. Okay, okay. For Spilo, you can get this from this link. Spilo has given the code entire Git repository where we can check out this. Where we can check out and we can run the Docker file. They have given enter uh, Docker file. So they have lot of environment variables. See, if we can pass the values, these environment variables as per our requirement, then it will run automatically. Petroni with PostgreSQL. Okay, see, if you want to know how to run this image, please comment it. I will give you the steps how to make Docker image using this Pilo GitHub. Okay, so I have already made image and pushed to the my Docker hub. From there, I am pulling that image. Okay, then this code. This is my Docker image where I am pulling my own image. Okay, so paste it. Okay. So 8008 and 5432. Okay. Docker compose up -d. Done. Docker ps. Check the status. Okay, it is running. Could be yes, it's become a leader. Why? Because it started first. Okay, then we'll check the see now it is primary. That's what it will always shows only the primary. Okay, then same thing we need to run in the DB2. This is my DB2 code. Okay, pgdb2 is this is the database volumes. The doc code doc ps running. Okay, logs db2. Yes, this is the second. Okay, now we'll check the status. Which one is the primary? Which one is the replica? See, for this, we can check. Okay, we'll check the status of the nodes. Which one is the primary? Which one is the replica? pgdb2. Yes. Yes, this is the leader. See, pgdb1 is the leader, pgdb is the replica. Now we check failover. We how it will work. See, we'll check. We try to connect first. I'm connecting from pgadmin. From pgadmin, we are connecting IP for HAProxy. What is the IP for the HAProxy? Is yes. Okay. Okay. The server. HAProxy. Give any name over here and give the IP address of the HAProxy. What is 172.16.2.18. Port number is we are exposed 5000 on Postgres. And what is the password we have given for connection? See, we have given the password to our database is here. Where it is pgdb. Yes, Postgres at 123. Click on save. able to connect into the database or the connecting to the HAProxy. Okay, we will see where is we did mistake. Okay, this is 5000 is exposed. Okay, it's fine. What about that configuration file? What about here? Oh, let me check. Docker pages. It is 5432. Okay, this is server 2. Okay, Docker pages 5432. Okay, nice. Okay, we'll check that configuration once. HAProxy configuration. Where is our HA? Okay, we have given HAProxy configuration is here. Okay, we'll check this configuration once. Okay, okay, 7000 is binding and it is backend server 5432. Oh, front end Postgres. Okay, here we did small mistake. This is not the 5000. This is 5432. Okay, then change it. Okay, we will down this entire thing. First, we need to down. We will down the pgdb2. Then we'll down pgdb1. We will down here. Done. Okay. Now we'll start again after changing the HAProxy. Okay, composer. Docker ps s 5000 5432. Done. Okay. Docker ps logs is it db1. Okay, it is done. It is up. And then we log this. Okay, done. Check the status. Okay, visit down. Yes, this. Okay, sentence opens up. Okay, done. We'll try to connect now. Postgres Python and whatever. Create server. HAProxy. IP address of the HAProxy. Continue to 62.18 and port number is 5000. Postgres and give the password. Come on, yes. We connected the database. Now check the failover. Failover. This is which one is the primary now? Let me check. Now streaming leader is the PGDB one. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll down the PGDB one, then automatically PGDB2 has to become leader. Let's check docker ps. Okay, docker stop pgdb1 done. Now check the status. Yes, this one. Now it's become a replica. Previously it was the leader. Now it is become a replica and it has been stopped. Now it become leader automatically. So our service will not stop. So you were able to connecting and you were able to create the database, test DB and everything you can make. So again we'll bring it up PGDB1 and it has to become streaming as a replica. We'll check it. Docker start PGDB1. Okay, see it is replicating. Then we'll check the status here also. Now it changed to the primary PGDB2. Thank you for watching. This is how we can configure HAProxy Postgres.